In this video, we are going to add more things in our features page. So you can see we can add these headings, and then we can add these descriptions, and we have this image, our accordion right here, and then we can add this button. So let's get started. First of all, I'm going to create a new section, and this time I'm going with 2 columns. Okay, I'm going to copy the heading from right here, simply copy, and then I'm going to paste it right here. I'm going to style and change the text color to black, and let me copy the text and then let me paste it right here. Now let me copy this description, and now I'm going to duplicate and then paste it right here. And also I'm going to little bit increase the column area. Go to style. In the typography, I'm going to change the weight to normal and simply decrease the size, something like this. And now I'm going to change the line height to pixel, and then I'm going to increase the line height like this. Okay, and something like this. Okay, so now we are done with our first heading and description. Let me duplicate, and then let me duplicate this description as well. And now I'm going to change this text, copy, and then simply paste it right here. Okay, so now we are done with our first column, and now let's add this column. So we have our image right here, so simply go to image and then place it right here, and select your image. So this is going to be my image. Simply click on insert media like this, and let me little bit increase the column width. You can adjust this column width according to you and change the image size to full. So this will show the full resolution. And make sure go to column and make sure the vertical alignment is set as default or the top. If you set the vertical alignment as middle, so this image will show in the middle. So I'm going to change the vertical alignment to top or the default. Okay. Now search a widget which is going to be our accordion. So you can see we have widget which is accordion. Simply drag and drop this widget right here. Now first of all, let's change the style. In the style, I'm going to title and change the color to black. Change the typography to Poppins. And now change the active color to pink. Now in the content, I'm going to change the typography to Poppins like this. And here you can simply play with the size like this. Now you can simply add your items right here, web development, duplicate, or maybe Android development. And now we have added our toggle button right here. You can see how easily we have created our this accordion. And now only one thing left, which is button. So I'm going to place the button right here, and now change the alignment to justified. So this will cover the whole content. You can see. So this will cover the whole column width. Go to style, change the background color to pink, and then go to typography, change the family to Poppins. Change the size, and then something like this, contact us. And now simply click on update. Now go to style and change the border radius to 1. And now you are done. So you can see we have done with our features image, or you can simply add little bit of padding to this. Let me turn off the values, and I'm going to add the top padding by 10 pixel and bottom by 10 pixel, or maybe 20 by 20 like this. So now we are done with our features page, and in the next video we are going to create our pricing page.